Hey guys, Jacob Howard here with FPV Unlocked, and today on Tuesday Tech Tips, we're going to start diving into some beta flight settings. So in this video, we're going to look at CLI commands and some of the things you can do to kind of start looking into it and getting into the CLI commands on beta flight. So first off, we're going to connect our drone to beta flight, and it connected here. And then on the bottom left here, we're going to have CLI. And CLI stands for Command Line Interface. So what we're going to look at here is right down here, either write your command here and press tab for autocomplete. So recently Betaflight switched over to having an option to do autocomplete, which basically means if I start typing in, let's say set, and start typing in like GPS, it'll come up with all the different options that you can look at. This saves tons of time because before you'd have to go get GPS and then type it in and then look for the one you wanted, and then go and edit it, or you'd have to have them all memorized. So now we can do it a lot simpler, and everybody's very happy about that. So the two big commands you have here are set and get. So get allows you to look at everything underneath that value. So for example, get GPS brings up all this stuff that we just looked at. If you said get VTX, that's gonna show all the VTX settings. You could type in get crash, and you can get all the different settings for your crash. Now, sets the setting. So let's say, for example, we wanted to change one of our GPS settings. So this is one we actually showed on a different video we have. So we could say set GPS, and let's go up here and we could look at set rescue allow arming without fix. We can click that, then we can type in equal, and we can say on or off. We had a video on what this one specifically means, but this is just to give you an idea of what it can do. So what you can do here is you can say set GPS or whatever you want to type, and you could just use your up or down button arrows on your keyboard, and let's say we select the same one, and we can click tab, it'll select it, and then we can hit tab again and it'll tell us what we can equal on or off. So this saves a ton of time. So another example would be set VTX, and let's say we wanted to set the VTX channel. So we could click tab again, and then you can see your allowed range is between 1 and 8. So I could say 5 and then hit enter. Now, once you hit enter on something, it's not saved yet automatically. And don't go down here, don't click save to file or copy to clipboard, any of that, or just connect and just think it's good. You actually have to come in here and click save, then hit enter. But in this case, I don't want to save that VTX channel. So I'm going to just disconnect. Now I'm going to connect here again, go into the CLI, and let's just go get VTX, and our VTX channel is at 1, so it didn't save. But let's just say, for example, we did want to change it. So we'd go set VTX, you go down to here, click tab, click that, and then say change it to 2. Hit enter, and then you type in save and hit enter. That's going to disconnect it and then reconnect it again. And then to verify, you can go back into CLI, you can go get VTX, go to channel, tab, enter, and you can see the VTX channel has changed to 2. So that's just a little bit of a walkthrough on how to start looking at CLI and all the different things you can do in there. There's tons of things you can do, and we're going to look at a bunch of those throughout this series of Tuesday Tech Tips. But I hope you guys learned something, and of course, if you have any questions, definitely let me know, and have fun flying. If you enjoyed this video on FPV, we actually have an entire online course developed around these same types of lessons. We're talking dozens of lessons and hours of material designed to get you started into FPV or make you a better pilot. It is the world's first online FPV course, and we have students from around the world learning through it. The link to learn more is in the comments below. And as always, if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know, and have fun flying.